Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting directly to the WorldLink router. Ethernet is best, but Wi-Fi works if you already know the key. Once connected, open your browser and enter 192.168.10.1. That's the typical WorldLink gateway. When the login appears, type the admin username and password from the sticker or your ISB documents. If defaults fail, try any custom credentials you set before. Make sure you're on the router network, because remote cloud panels won't change the local SSID from here. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless or Wi-Fi settings. Some WorldLink interfaces place this under Basic, others under Advanced. You'll see separate tabs or sections for 4 GHz and 5 GHz. Select the band you want to rename and find the SSID or network name field. Type your new Wi-Fi name. Keep it short, recognizable, and avoid special characters that might break older devices. While here, confirm security is WPA2 or WPA3, and note that after editing the SSID, click Save or Apply. WorldLink routers will often restart wireless services or reboot, causing a short outage. Once it finishes, scan for the new network name and reconnect each device. Use the same passphrase unless you changed it when renaming. If devices don't see the SSID, clear saved Wi-Fi profiles or toggle their Wi-Fi. If you cannot log back in or settings won't apply, try power cycling the router. Then, as a last resort, perform a factory reset and reconfigure. Remember that erases custom settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.